Babe, breakfast is ready. Babe, amka. Babe, breakfast surprise. Breakfast. This is cake in a mug for babe. Breakfast is ready. So I made 3 because Mimi napenda chocolate, yeye napenda red velvet, and for the vanilla we will share because hatuwezi shiba one mug cake. You want to impress babe? Recipe is here for you. Babe will be so surprised, and make sure you buy this mask so that you'll be like, good morning babe, how are you? Surprise with some mug cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you spice up your relationship, and please subscribe for more and great Valentine Day series. I'm using this whipped cream here, so I'm going to add more, sprinkles, chocolate, just to make them really look nice. For the chocolate mug cake, I'm just going to drizzle some chocolate. And there we go, chocolate mug cake is ready. The vanilla mug cake, what I'm going to do with the vanilla mug cake, I'm just going to use some sprinkles, and yeah, there we go, our vanilla mug cake is ready. Onto the red velvet mug cake. Now this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I can also add in some melted chocolate cake, white chocolate cake, and drizzle